Hello everybody, today I am here with my May planner sticker kit lineup as well as foil combos, and I am very excited for May. I feel as though this year I'm going to be using a lot more anytime kits in the summer and maybe like one summer art. So far, like I really haven't seen any summer art that's really been like, I need to use that. So I mean, the next few months are probably going to be some pretty awesome anytime kits. And I'm really excited about it because I never really get the chance to use them, you know? So for May, we'll go ahead and get started with May 2nd through May 8th. I am using the Candyland kit from Scribble Prints Co. I knew I needed to use this, and initially it was gonna be like one of my girls' birthday kits or like just anybody birthday kit, but I was just like, oh, I just wanna use it right now. May 2nd through May 8th. If you have a birthday this week, perfect. Because like, I just love this art so much. It's like so food. Like look at this like ice cream banana split sundae, the little like sugar cookies, this ice cream gingerbread. Like I love Candyland. I love food. I love sweets. I'm obsessed with this kit. Very excited to be using this. I do have a Plana Hannah order on the way that has underlays that I'm going to be using with this kit. I believe, I'm going to just look that up. I should have probably did this beforehand. But I have two different, or they're the same underlay, just in two different colors to use with this kit because I really wanted to bring in something fun. So I have, what are they? I ordered a lot from her. The lollipop underlays. Here, let's see if I can zoom you in. Can you see those? I don't know, but they're like lollipop, super cute. I got them in light pink and light blue, and I thought that would be really fun to alternate. And I am going to be bringing in the candy foil bundle from SPC in Sparkly Hollow. Excuse me, all of a sudden I have like a cough. I initially was going to use Lavender Hollow because like that would be really pretty, but I felt like with the pink and blue, I think Sparkly Hollow would be like the most ideal. So that is going to be my kit and foil combo then for May 2nd through May 8th. Then, oh, I'm using so much good art this month. I'm so excited. Okay, and then May 9th through May 15th, I am using the April Mystery Kit, which I am just like obsessed with. This art is so stunning. It's like soft mermaid. Like this little turtle's so cute, and like the little makeup. Is that like the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes? That's my favorite mascara of all time. It's just such a beautiful light kit, and I felt like this really gave me May vibes, like even April vibes, but this just gave me very soft May vibes, so I definitely wanted to use it. It does come with the Tropical Lavender Hollow, which is pretty, but I want to use the scales underlays from Plana Hannah. This is in her light blue. I purchased this so long ago because I knew this kit was coming. Like we've had this kit print and cut for probably printed about almost a year ago, and then cut. This has been cut for forever. So I knew what the colors I wanted to use, so I got it in light blue, and I only got one sheet because I'm going to do every other. So I don't feel like this meshes too well, at least not for me. So I'm thinking there is a tropical foil bundle in Champagne Lights. There is also one in like gold. This would also look really pretty with like rose gold though. I'm thinking Tropical Champagne Lights with this. I have it. I have a massive stack of foil bundles I need to go through and organize, but I think I'm going to pull that in with this. I think that would be really pretty, but like Hannah has so many good like oceany, summery underlays. I just can't. So using this for the week of May 9th through the 15th. And then the next week is a little strange. Well, not, that's funny. Strange. Anyway, it's May 16th through the 22nd, and I am using the Strange kit from Scribble Prints Co., the Stranger Things themed kit. So Stranger Things doesn't premiere until the following week, but I have a kit that I've been wanting to use for that week. So I was like, I don't want to use this for the week of July 1st because I had something else in that place, didn't I? Yeah, like we're gonna be like traveling that week, so I wanted to use something different. So I was like, I want to use the Stranger Things kit. I want to use it like, I did want to use it a week that it premiered, but it's just not possible. So I just bumped it up a week ahead, which is totally fine because y'all know I'm behind anyway. But I'm obsessed with this. I'm so biased, but I love the way Andrea did this art because I feel like a lot of people just did like character boxes, and just like the fact that she did these 2 scenes is just so cool to me. I love the mall, like obsessed with the mall. Love that it's like the upside down. Like this is so fun. I love this box so much. Yeah, this is such a fun kit. I have all the doodles and stuff back here, but I'm obsessed with this kit. So with this kit, I am using the SPC. This is the star format in the black hollow, like prism-y, because I thought the black like hollow squares would be so dope with this. And I've been like telling Andrea, and I think she talked to Hannah, and I really want I have them right here, but they're not in the color. I don't think I want this color, but they're like the twinkle underlays. They were a Christmas underlay. I am not 100% at all the creator of this idea. I saw Domi talk about it, so like she can have full credit, but she said it and I was like, ooh, yes. These are like the twinkle, red would even be cute, but I feel like I would want to do like blue or purple. I have green too. Whatever. But they're Christmas underlays. They're the twinkle lights, but like come on, with Stranger Things that works so well. I would probably get like a purple. Well, no, because then these colors are too like, maybe a blue. Maybe I would do blue, like a dark blue. That'd be so pretty with like this. But anyway, this is like my idea. So when she does release these again, I will get more of them to use with this kit, because I think that would be so cool. So that is the week of May 16th through the 22nd. Now the next week is May 23rd to the 29th, and I will not be showing you that kit because it is SPC's June Mystery, which has not been released yet. But the second I saw June Mystery, I knew I needed to use it that specific week, because that is the week that it's her last week of school, and this is not like a summer kit or like a last week of school kit, but to me it like screams fun. I'm gonna be so vague here. It screams fun, it screams exciting, it screams like, I don't know, I'm looking at it right now because I pulled it out of my collection because I didn't want to accidentally run the risk of showing you, and it's just like the cool, like I think it might be my favorite mystery kit this year. I think it's so bright and fun, and I just really love it. So I'm definitely using it the week that her last week of school, because it just gives me those vibes. There's so many full boxes to choose from. Now I'm just teasing y'all. There's so many options. It's gonna be great. So let's go over quickly my plans one last time. Here's my little binder where I keep all my stuff. So May 2nd through May 8th, I'm using SPC Candyland. I have the Sparkly Hollow Candy Bundle, and then I'm pulling in some Lollipop underlays from Planet Hannah when those come in. If you want to see those will be in my May haul. May 9th through the 15th, I'm using the April Mystery Kit from Scribble Prints Co. Probably going to use the Tropical Champagne Lights. I'll probably switch that out soon, but I am using the scales in light blue from, is this light blue or mid blue? I think it might be mid blue. No, it's light blue. From my little thing there. From Planet Hannah. May 16th through the 22nd, I'm using the Strange Kit from SPC with Star Black Hollow Prism Square, potentially, with the twinkle underlays, probably in blue. I think I am going to go ahead and do blue. Her like dark blue, I think, would be really cool with the black. Yeah, probably going to do that one. Or maybe even like red would be cool, but I have red. I could do that then. Maybe I will just use the red. I don't know. Let me put that in there though, just so I have it in there and I can stare at it for a while and come to a conclusion. That would be helpful. And then May 23rd through the 29th is a June mystery kit that you have not seen yet, and that's totally cool because eventually you will. Look how exciting this is. Okay, so that is my May planner sticker kit and foil combo lineup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.